You're doing almost 60 miles an hour.
I can see my speed limit here. I was going 35. The speed limit is 45. I know I wasn't going no 60. I can see my speed limit. It tells me the speed limit right there.
Well, you were passing every car.
I was going 35. It's a big SUV. It's an Audi. It goes pretty fast for the speed.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you, miss?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you understand that when you're passing many cars?
What I'm telling you is I can see my speed limit. It tells me the speed limit right there, 45. I was going 35.
I understand that. Do you understand that I'm a trained motor cop? I do this for a living.
Do you have something to show me what I was going 60?
Yes, you were passing all the cars.
You have something to show me?
My radar showed you at 57 miles an hour, and you're passing all the cars.
Sir, I know what I was doing.
Did you know that you were passing all the cars?
I was going 35. Okay. There was no cars on the road. It was just me and you.
Have you been drinking?
Sir, go run my license. Get out my face, please. Go ahead. Bye.
I'm trying to educate you.
Don't ask me if I've been drinking. That's a racial slur right there, because how do I look like I've been drinking? Because I'm telling you what I was going.
Because if I was doing 35.
Do you want to do a breathalyzer or not? Okay, good.
A check of the vehicle's temp tag would show that the vehicle had been issued a permanent plate. In Florida, once that's done, the temp tag is immediately invalidated.
Okay, so the temporary license plate is expired today and is no longer assigned. You have a new license plate assigned to the vehicle.
Days to get a new license. Can you put my license plate back?
No, this license plate is no longer assigned to this vehicle. You have a new license plate assigned to it.
Okay, well, I haven't picked it up yet. That one hasn't expired yet. So you can put my license plate back today. So I still got 6 days to go get it. So I would like for you to put that back.
No, that's not how it works.
In the state of Florida, you have up to 6 more days to drive with an expired license plate, temporary. So I need you to put that back before I be suing you.
You can sue me.
Okay, I need you to put that back.
When I run the license plate, it's no longer assigned to the vehicle.
It is assigned to the vehicle.
It's not.
So I need you to go put that back. It's a temporary. Do you need to see my registration?
Alright guys, this doesn't start calm. It hits instantly with chaos. A routine traffic stop on March 26, 2025 turns heated within seconds as a driver is repeatedly ordered out of her car. The officer claims she was speeding close to 60 miles per hour, but she pushes back hard, insisting she was well below the limit. Two completely different versions of reality clash, and neither side is willing to step back. What should have been a simple warning now starts building into something far more intense. The tension is immediate, and it's only getting worse.
No, I don't.
Okay, but I have 30 days. Okay, I have 30 days to get a tip. This is just expired today.
Yes.
So I have 6 more days to get my license plate.
Wrong.
Yes, I do.
We're not going to argue on the side of the road so I can get hit by a car.
So you have a license plate to put on my car?
No.
So I need to put that one back.
You need to go get it.
Exactly. So put that back so I can go get it.
It's not assigned to the car. I'm not having this discussion with you.
I have my registration in my.
You're getting a ticket today for speeding. We can go in front of the judge and we can explain how you were speeding today. There's a fine that you can pay, or call it and go to traffic court. I'm not putting license plate back. You're free to go.
Yes, you are.
No.
I have my registration in here.
You're free to go.
Which you never asked for.
I don't need it. You're free to go.
Yes, you do. It's a temporary license plate. You're not supposed to take that.
You are free to go.
I need my license plate, sir.
You are
I need
free
my
to go.
license plate. How am I going to drive without a license plate? Make it make sense.
Just drive.
I need a license plate. How am I going to go drive without a license plate?
I'm not talking to you anymore. You're free to go. Get back in your car.
You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to do that. I need my license plate back on my car. I have 6 days. You're not supposed to do that. You racist ass.
If you don't get back in your car, you're going to get arrested. If you're going to get back in your car, get back in your car.
I'll shoot your ass.
Get back in the car.
I'm a license, bitch. What's wrong with you? Get the f out my face. If I slap your ass. Get the f out my face. Don't touch me. Freedom of speech, bitch. Get the f out my face.
Send me a 94, 1018.
Get your ass out my face. Don't touch me. If I don't touch you, don't touch me. Simple. Get your ass out my face.
54, just have somebody tell me.
Get your ass out my face.
You're going to be arrested.
For
Get
what?
out of the car.
For what?
Get out
what
of the
are you
car.
arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the
What are you arresting me for? I need to know. What are you arresting me for?
Get back in the car.
What are you arresting? Okay, so what? I can stand out in the street if I want to. I can stand at the street. I can stand in the street. Do I have a gun? No, I don't. So you can't arrest me. Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go then.
Stop.
I have kids. Let me go.
Get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Let me go, because you're arresting me for no reason. Let me go now.
Now you're going to get another charge for resisting.
Let me go. I'm not resisting. You're arresting me for no reason. Let me call
Stop.
my people.
Stop.
Don't pull me. Do not pull me. I'm going to call my people.
Okay.
Let me go.
You can sit here until my backup gets here.
I don't care.
You're not going to call anybody.
My phone. You stupid.
The situation shifts when the officer focuses on the vehicle's temporary tag, declaring it invalid due to a new plate being issued. The driver argues she still has time to replace it, refusing to accept the officer's decision. Without hesitation, the officer removes the tag, taking control of the situation. Now the driver is left questioning how she's supposed to leave without a plate. What started as a disagreement now turns into a full-blown confrontation.
Don't touch me!
So you're gonna call more people?
I'm gonna call my people, say come get my kids. Are you stupid?
Yeah.
So I go get my kids. Are you stupid?
Stop.
I have 2 kids in here.
Stop.
Don't touch me, sir. Back up. Don't touch me. I'm telling you, don't touch me.
You're making this worse.
You're making it worse because I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
You're making this worse than me.
Don't touch me. I'm calling my family, say come get my kids. Are you stupid?
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
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 Get out of the car.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Okay.
Stop trying to touch my
You're
phone.
really making this
Stop
worse
trying
than
to
it
touch
used to
my
be.
phone. I have the right to use my phone. This
No,
is
you
my
don't.
phone. Yes,
you
I
are
do.
under arrest. I'm telling you right now.
I'm
You're
not
under arrest
for anything.
and you are resisting.
I'm not under arrest for anything.
You are
Back
under
up.
arrest.
Back up. Let me go,
Oh
sir.
my God, you're going to
Let
get
me go.
tased.
Let me
You're
go.
going to get tased. You
For
want to get
what?
tased in front of your
So you
child?
got to sue? So I can sue you?
Because
So I
I'm
can
telling
sue
you.
you? You
I'm
arrest
telling
me
you
for
that
no
you're under
reason.
arrest.
You arrest me for no reason. You arrested me for no reason.
I'm getting with District 2. We see Special 14 nearby. We're getting with Census getting because of
Check on it if you sent to
Motor 26V. I'm trying to go 1015. She's resisting. Get somebody here
I'm trying to get
1018.
somebody to come get my kids. I have 2 kids in here.
Let go and get out of the
I
car.
have 2 kids in here. I have 2. You are
Stop.
a speaker. He keep touching me.
Stop.
I have 2 kids in
Get
here.
out of the car.
I got 2 kids. I need somebody to come get my
Get out of the
kids.
car.
You're scaring my kids.
You're scaring your
No,
kids.
you
Get
are.
out of the car.
I need somebody to come get
Get
my
out
kids.
of the
No,
car.
I'm not getting out of my car. I'm not getting out of my car.
This is incredible.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. You arrest me for nothing because I said I'm gonna shoot you. That's not okay. So what? It's a freedom of speech, sir. It's a freedom of speech, sir. I can say what I want in my mouth. It's a freedom of speech. You're mad? You're mad because you're racist? You're mad because you're racist? Yeah, you're racist. You asked me like, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Like I said, don't touch me.
How far is my 94?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Wait till your other officers get here. Don't touch me. I'll let them arrest me. You don't touch me.
You're funny.
You don't touch me. You don't touch me. Stop touching me.
He's on Jersey.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop
Ours
touching
is
me.
just north of Jersey.
Stop touching me. I don't want you touching me.
Things explode as emotions take over and the argument turns aggressive. The driver begins making serious accusations while the officer responds with stronger commands. Then comes the moment that changes everything. Threats are made, shifting the situation into dangerous territory. Backup is called, and the tone instantly becomes more serious. At this point, this is no longer just a traffic stop, it's a crisis unfolding.
10-4, they're 51 to you.
Don't touch me.
24.
I'm over here by Rosier Street, by my house. He's arrested me because I told him I'm going to shoot him and I don't care. Because you're racist, sir. You're racist. And I got my license. I don't care. I got a registered license.
You get out.
I got a registered license. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. He keep touching me and I told him not to touch me.
24 is going to be
I don't
a
want. No, I'm not. I got kids here. I'm not going nowhere without my kids. No.
Yeah, he's right here.
Motor
24, I'm 97.
I said I don't want you to touch me. I will let somebody else touch me. I don't want you touching me. I'll let somebody else.
Car up against the car.
Can you please come get my kids, Ronisha, please? It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'm trying to get okay, money. It's okay.
He just pulled up to help.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Do not cry. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't cry. Don't
Let's get her
cry.
out of the
I love
road.
you. I love you. I'm sorry.
You wouldn't act like this in front of your kids if you were sorry.
He took my license plate out my car for no reason. I have 6 days to get a license plate. It just expired today. Why did he take my license plate? I have a temporary
Why are you
license plate.
Am I-
He's not supposed to take my license plate. How am I going to drive without my license plate?
I'm right here.
You're not understanding what he did. He took my license plate off my car. In the state of Florida, you have 6 days to get a new license plate.
Ma'am.
It just expired today.
Ma'am.
It's not even expired yet because today hasn't
Listen!
ended.
Shut your pie hole for a second. I can't get a word in edgewise. All you want to do is yell at me, and I'm trying to
I'm not
help
yelling
you.
at you. I'm talking to you,
I'm
sir.
walking back to my car. She got out of her car, started walking towards me, said that she was going to shoot me, started calling me all kinds of racist names because I took her expired temporary license plate. So I tried to 10-15 her. She got back in the car. She started calling people. She wouldn't get out. And I said, would come
My license plate expired today. It's not even the end of today yet.
You just need to calm down. Let me
put her in the car.
You took my license plate off my car for no reason.
She's got kids in the car
For
too.
no reason. My license plate expires today.
The attempted arrest turns chaotic as the driver refuses to comply, holding her ground inside the car. Her voice is a mix of anger and panic as she tries to call for help and protect her children. The officer stays firm, eyes avoiding force but clearly losing patience. Inside the car, the children begin to feel the fear of what's happening. The situation is now emotionally charged and completely unstable.
This is illegal. I'm suing you. I am suing you. You cannot take my license plate if it's not even passed today. If it was the 27th, I would understand. It's the 26th. You cannot do that. So you're going to jail. I'm telling you, I'm suing y'all. I am definitely suing y'all. I'm not saying. I am suing y'all. And you touched my phone. You hung up my phone. Yeah, I'm suing you, sir.
You did pat down already?
No, I didn't.
I am suing you.
Any gloves?
Just the bodysuit, so I think that it's.
Take a step back.
I don't think she has any pockets.
Well, I'm not afraid my legs, so I've never been arrested before, so.
Well, I'm helping you. Listen to me.
I'm spreading. How far you want me to go?
Step back.
Partner did illegal shit. He did illegal shit.
I highly doubt it, but we're gonna figure it out.
Sir, he took my license plate for no reason. Today's the 26th. Why did he take my license plate? Today.
I haven't been here.
Today.
Okay,
That's
I haven't
not
been
expired, is it? I'm confused. Is that expired?
here. Well, give me a minute.
That's illegal.
I just got here.
I'm trying to bend my legs. I can't stand up like that.
What's your name?
Jamila.
Okay, pay attention to me, okay? So, once
Just want a bodysuit, so she should be good.
I'll help you out. I'll figure it out. I'll be able to explain it to you. Okay? I'll be able to explain it to you.
Do that.
I got you. I will be able to explain it to you once I know what the heck's going on.
Okay, I understand.
All right,
But I
so what
want
we're gonna do
to
right
ask
now-
you a question.
Yep.
If my license plate expired today, I have until
me figure
tomorrow
this
to
out.
get a license plate, right?
We're gonna get in the car, okay?
Understanding.
All right, get in the car.
Yeah, kids are in the car. Problem is,
Just relax, okay?
she got out of the car as I was walking back to the car and said that she was going to shoot me. She needed her temp tag back and all kinds of stuff. Why could get out of the car? You're under arrest. She wouldn't get out of the car. I just held on to her the whole time because I wasn't going to tase her with her kids in the car.
Okay.
I just got here. Somebody's calling. So, hey, all right. So, Mike, where's your mom's phone?
It was right here.
It's out here on the roof.
Somebody's been calling. I don't know who it is. They said it was grandma, but yeah, if you want to take it back to
Yeah, because I don't. It's
Yeah.
locked.
Backup arrives, bringing a calmer presence into a tense and messy scene. A second officer steps in, trying to understand both sides and slow things down. The driver insists she was treated unfairly, while the first officer stands by his actions. Two conflicting stories now define the situation, with no easy resolution. Even with a calmer approach, the tension doesn't disappear.
Yeah, I saw that.
All right, we're gonna get somebody here for you, okay?
So, well, he told me. You told me you were stopped for. He said for speeding.
For speeding.
All right, so he was probably giving you a warning for that or what have you. He said the tag expired today.
Right.
However,
Today's not over yet.
hold on. Let me finish. However, he said it'd been replaced.
I didn't know that. They didn't tell me that. It's a temporary tag.
Okay, but what happens is when it gets replaced, that temporary tag becomes no good at that point because now the car belongs to the new tag, whatever it is, a new temp tag, a new hard tag, whatever.
You guys have any water or anything? No?
But like I said, I've only talked to him for a little bit. But now the problem is where you are now is because of the screaming and yelling and whatever transpired prior to me getting here.
For me screaming and yelling.
Well, apparently you threatened him
I
multiple things.
I did threaten him.
So-
That's not illegal.
When you threaten to shoot somebody, that tends
That's
to
not
be illegal.
illegal.
It's not?
No, it's not. If I don't actually do it, it's not illegal. I can say what I want in my
So you
mouth.
only think if you shoot somebody, it's illegal?
If you shoot someone, it's illegal. But saying it doesn't put action into it. Actually doing it does.
Okay.
But I did not actually shoot him, so that's not an actual arrest.
I got you.
So I'm trying to understand what I'm going to jail for.
Once we get all that sorted out, I've been back here with you
touch him
almost the whole time.
You can watch his camera. I
Same,
didn't touch him.
same with him. He got here way after me.
All right, hang out right here for me for a second, okay?
How long is my mom gonna be in there?
I don't know, sweetheart. I don't even know what's going on yet, okay?
He said, well, I'm taking. I said, you can't do that. I said, when did it expire? He said, today. I said, today's not over. I can see if it was the 27th. That's different. But today hasn't ended, and it's a temporary license plate. It's not like it's a hard plate. It's a temporary license plate. And he said, no, I'm not getting. I said, sir, you need to give my license plate back. And that's when I got out of the vehicle. I said, can you give my license plate back? He said, no. I said, you racist, I will shoot you. And then he came and grabbed me. I said, what are you grabbing me for? He said, because I told you to get in the car. I said, okay, I can stand in the road if I want to. It's not illegal to stand in the road. He said, well, I'm going to arrest you. I said, for what? He said, get out of the car. I said, I'm not leaving my kids in this car. So I'm trying to understand where and when did that become an arrest?
We'll get all that, all right? Don't worry. You know what? All this will be on body camera, so it won't even have to be your word against his. All right? I'm going to close this door. I'm going to give the deputy your phone for right now, okay?
As things begin to settle, the consequences of the situation become clear. The driver continues to defend herself, all while the officers explain the legal side of what happened. A child's question about their mother adds a heavy emotional weight to everything. This moment shifts from conflict to reality, showing the impact beyond the argument. In the end, this wasn't just a stop, it was a turning point that changed everything.